In this video, I will show you how you can find the missing Wi-Fi icon on Mac. So here, if you check carefully on my Mac, there is no Wi-Fi icon. Somehow it is hidden. So let's see how we can make it enabled or unhide it. So I want to add the Wi-Fi icon here. To do this thing, at first we need to click Apple menu. It will be expanded like this. From here, we have to choose System Settings. I'm going to click here so that system settings window will be appeared. Now on the left side we'll find couple of menu items are there. We have to access control center. I'm going to click control center, and right side it will bring this type of option. On the top it has Wi-Fi, and there is a small like arrow both way. We just need to click here, and then it will show us two options. One is show in the menu bar, and is don't show in the menu bar. Somehow it somehow it is chosen this one, so that's why it is not showing over there. To make it visible, we just need to choose from this item to this item, basically like that. If we select it, it will be selected and your Wi-Fi icon will be visible on the menu bar, and then you can close it. And that's it. In this way you can easily fix the missing Wi-Fi icon on your Mac, which is super easy way to fix.